Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to do this really pretty shell stitch, and look at my blanket. I love this stuff. This yarn is from Red Heart and it's called Stripes, and that blue is it's so electric. I wish you could really see the shades of those blues and purples, but I'm going to show you how to do this really beautiful blanket with a shell stitch. I'm using a 5.5mm hook. That's a 5.5 in the UK. Now the chain that we're going to do the chain in sets of 7. We're going to do them in sets of 7 because you need 7 for the little part of the pattern to do the shell. You do your chain the length that you want to do it in. Now the stitches we're using are double crochets and treble crochets. That's the UK terms. If you're in the USA, it's a single crochet and a double crochet that we're going to use. We're going to do a row of double crochet or single crochet if you're in the USA. And the way I'm going to show you to do it is, my chain's that way, turn it back to front, so all those little lines, you can see them on there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go in to the very first little line that's there. The first line, it's actually the second little line, and I'm just going to push my hook through that line, through that little stitch, like that. It's a bit difficult to see because my background's the same. Let's see if I've got something that I can put down. Is that a little better? There we go, we can see a little better now. So these are all the little lines that you can see on the back of a chain. So wrap your yarn round and pull through those stitches. So there's your next one. I'm just going to go through there and do a double crochet. If you're in the USA, this is a single crochet. All the way along my chain. All the way along to the end. Now you can see all those little lines. These are the ones that we're picking up. All these little lines. One at a time. Just that one on its own. And what it does, as you can see when you turn it, you get a really nice neat edge on the bottom of your blanket. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a double crochet all the way along to the end of my chain, and I'll come back and show you what to do next. So what you're going to do now is you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, so we've chained 3, you've got chain 3. Now right into this very first space, right where your chain 3 is, we're going to put 2 treble crochets into there to make 3. The chain of 3 counts as your first one, so that's 1 and 2. So your chain of 3 counts as your first, that's your second, and that's your third. You're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into this one we're going to put a double crochet. If you're in the USA, that's a single crochet. We're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and into this one we're going to put 5 treble crochet. So yarn over and through that stitch. So that's our first one. We're going to do 5. That's 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what we're going to do now is you're going to skip 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into this one we're going to put a double crochet. Skip 2, 1, 2, and into this one we're going to do our 5 treble crochets again. So we're going to do another shell. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Into that same stitch, 5 treble crochets into that same stitch, skip 2, 1, 2 and do a double crochet. And we're going to do that all the way along, and you've got these lovely little shells running along your chain. So I'm nearing the end of my chain. I'm doing my last shell, that's my 5 treble crochets into the same stitch. That's 3, 4 and that one's a little bit slack. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now remember, do your chain in sets of 7 so that when you finish you've got your missed 2, and we're going to finish on a double crochet, and that keeps your pattern symmetrical. Now you might not think so because you've got this bobbly bit here and a little bit here, but you'll see that once we start to march along the other side. I'm going to put this back down so you can see it a little bit better. So we're at the end and you're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and turn. Now into the very bottom of that chain of 3 you're going to put 2 treble crochets, 1 and 2. That makes a half shell. Now what you're going to do is you're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2 and into the top of this shell. So skip 2, 1, 2 takes you to the top of the shell, put a double crochet into the top of there. So 1, 2 and into this space here I'm going to put my 5 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2 takes me to the top of the shell, 1 double crochet, skip 2 takes me down in between the shells, and I'm going to put 5 treble crochet or 5 double crochet if you're in the USA. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2 into the top of that previous shell, double crochet, skip 2 stitches and into that third one we're going to put our 5 treble crochet. That's 2 and we're skipping 2 and we should end up right in the corner to put our single crochet or a double crochet. If you're in the USA it's a single crochet, and this is what it looks like. I'll show you on this one. This is what you're getting. We're down here. So your next row, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it. I'll change it around and we'll use this one. I'll get my yarn for this one, my yarn out for this one. So where am I? Oh yeah, right, so we're right on the end. So I'll show you the end again. So you're at the end. This is quite funny. So you've done your last one and you've done your double crochet at the end. So you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. So we'll just pretend we've done all this. And right into the bottom of there you're going to put your 2 treble crochet. or your 2 double crochet if you're in the USA. Quite lucky I'm using the same size of hook for this. So you've got your chain of 3 and your 2 trebles makes up your half shell. So you're going to skip 2 stitches and put a double crochet. So your double crochet always ends up in the top of your shell, and your 5 trebles ends up down in that V part down in there. So once you've got your very bottom done, it's really easy. Chain 3 and put 2 trebles at the bottom of that chain, skip 2, double crochet, skip 2, 5 treble crochets, skip 2, a double crochet, skip 2, 5 trebles. If you're in the USA, it's skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet. That's what it is in the USA. And that's it. It's just so easy once you've got this going. So I'm on my skip 2 and into the middle of this we're putting our 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2, 1 double crochet, skip 2 and back to your 5 trebles. And that's the way you'll carry on repeating that row over and over again until your blanket is the size that you want it. Just remember that when you do your chain, you're doing it in sets of 7. Skip 2, skip 2, double crochet, skip 2 and do my 5. So my 5's going to go in there. So you're putting 1 shell in here, a double crochet and a shell will go in there, skip 2, a double crochet, skip 2 stitches and 5 trebles in there for your shell. When you get to the end, it's 1 double crochet, chain 3 and turn, and then you'll put your 2 double crochet, your 2 treble crochet in beside your chain, just like that. So your shell sits in that stitch there. It builds it up. And that is how you do this beautiful shell pattern. It's really pretty. It's nice done in a single colour as well. It's just a pity that I picked this that I picked this stripy one to do my little sample, but you can still see it and it's really pretty. And you can definitely see them all on this one here. And look at that, it's really pretty. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscribe button down there. Also, if you click on the little bell icon, you'll be notified when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.